Hey guys, I thought I'd come out and my sister, who's on the other side of the city she lives near where I work, she says she has snow, but what I'm getting is ice. Can you hear it? It almost looks like snow falling, but it's ice. Project house at the top of the street has new owners and it's getting fixed up. I'll zoom in on it. And they're having to put a ton more money into it. I'm telling you, that house has been through so many owners and so many different people fixing on it, and there's no way the money will ever be recouped on what that has been put into that house. It's just unreal, and some of the work was not done well, so hopefully it'll be a pleasant home for someone. I would never buy it knowing what I've seen go into it, but I came out earlier and filled the feeders. I'm totally out of suet cakes, and 2 of the suet cages are totally empty. Go in closer, see if some birds will come. They don't like it because I'm out here. And the squirrels knocked my gnome over, so he looks like he's been a little tipsy today. Oh, here comes a little pine warbler. He's trying to get some suet. A little while ago, the yard was full of cardinals, but there's enough ice coming down that I haven't seen any of the little bit larger birds. The little birds are still trying. Sorry if I'm moving around. I was going to go back to work today, but then I was texted again and told that just stay home because of the weather. And I could have probably gone to work and been back home before it even got bad, but whatever. Oh, there's a cardinal in the dogwood tree. Maybe he'll come over to the feeders. I'm going to be quiet and see if he will. He's making his way over. Little Carolina chickadee. Oh, some of my neighbors going to work. They're making a bread and milk run, more likely. Nope, that was residents from the Babcock house. They take care of. There's a couple houses here in the neighborhood that house autistic and mentally challenged people, and they have house people that stay with them. And here comes a cardinal, and take them out to jobs and things that they have, which is kind of good. The only bad part is when one wanders off, then we have police helicopters over the house trying to find them, because there's some areas behind the neighborhood that could be dangerous for them if they wandered too close. There's a creek behind the neighborhood. Isn't he pretty? I'm glad I filled the feeders up. Here come all the birds. Let's try to just be still for a while and see how many come. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. Bye.